Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Home Decor PK. I show you have in this video. Welcome to our latest video where I explore the world of the modular kitchen design. From a sleek and modern to traditional and rustic, we are showcasing a range of the inspiring ideas to help you create your dream kitchen. In this video, you discover innovative and layouts and configuration to maximize your space and style, cabinetry and the countertop design for the elevate your kitchen and style to smart storage solution, organizational tips to keep kitchen and clutter free, trendy color schemes and material combination to inspire your design and expert advice and tips to help you plan the execute your modular kitchen. Whether you are a homeowner, designer and simply kitchen enthusiast, to this video to pack the inspiration and ideas to help you create a kitchen that both functional and so sit back and relax and get ready to transform your kitchen into the stunning modular kitchen masterpieces. Get ready to revolution your looking and space with the modular kitchen design ideas. My video today in the dream kitchen goal modern kitchen ideas to inspire your renovation and modular kitchen magic transform your space with these design ideas. And don't forget this like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. Thanks for watching.